Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear Windows Update cache to fix stuck update. If you're using Windows, it might be 10 or 11 and you're trying to update your Windows, but you're facing the issue that your Windows Update has been stuck and now you want to clear update cache. So let's see how can do that. So the very first thing, you just have to press Windows plus R to open run command, and here you just have to enter services.msc. So here's the services.msc, then click OK, and now you might get this type interface. Just click on any service, then press W from your keyboard to get W section. Now here you just have to look for Windows Update. It's a Windows Update. Right click on it, then click Stop. So once you have stopped Windows Update, go back, go to your file explorer or your disk PC section, go to local disk C or where your Windows has been installed. So in my case, I have installed in my C drive. So I'm gonna open my C drive here, go to Windows, and here just look for software distribution. As a software distribution, open this, then go to downloads. Now in download, you might get all the downloaded cache and downloaded data from your software update. Just select all, and then delete them. Just click delete. So all of your data will be deleted. You can also delete it from your recycle bin. Just empty your recycle bin. And once this has been done, you have to go to services again because your Windows update are now being stopped. So you're unable to get the latest updates. You just have to try to right click on it, then click on start. So once your Windows update has been started, I recommend you have to restart it to make a restart with your Windows update section. Just restart this, and once it has been done, your issue is completely fixed. Now you have to go to your settings, and in settings just go to Windows Update, and now you have to try to update your Windows without an issue. So in this way, you can easily update your Windows 11 without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.